Hi there, welcome to part 2 of Microsoft PowerPoint. In this slide, we are going to continue with the Microsoft PowerPoints, show you how to create the slides, how to add the animations, transitions, images, and all different stuff. Right, so we are going to insert the image here again, like we did on the previous video. So insert the image here. So we just want to have some content on every page, so we can see as we navigate from one page to another. Right, and then we go to the next slide, and then okay, let me just paste that there. Paste, copy, paste, and paste. So here, as you paste, you can see that you have the different formats, right, for pasting. So here it says use the destination theme. So it means if you copied your picture, that it comes with some formatting from the previous theme. If you paste it here on the new slide, and then you find that the slide is using different theme, and then you say use the destination theme, the picture formatting is going to change, and it will synchronize to the current theme formatting, right? So, and then but this one is just using the format of the image, so it will just paste the image as it is from the previous slide. Right, so you can see here we have some different content. Maybe we can change the layout of, and it's okay, it's fine. We just want to have some content. Let's just use different formatting. So you can see our picture now is at the back end of this text, because we have added our picture before we can add these text boxes. These are the text boxes, right? Okay, and then we leave the last one as it is, and then from our previous video we were here on the design. No, we were not here. We are here on the transition. So you can add some transition, so when you move from one slide to another, then the slide can wipe, split, depend on what you have selected. Like this, it will split like this, or reveal like this. Can you see that? So if you selected that, and then from there you say apply all, and then you start presenting, it will do something like this, or reveal. Then you can go to next. That's how it does, and then you can go to next. So remember from the previous video I said if you want to go to the next slide, you can just press the down arrow button, or the left the right arrow button. So if you want to go back, you can press the up arrow button. You see, I'm going back to the previous slide, or you can press the left arrow button. Okay, so I'm going down now using the down arrow. So this is the transition. So I said apply to all, so you can see that okay, this is our last slide. You can see that every slide is using the same transition, but you can also use the different transition. Let's say I say the first slide I say is fade, like this, and then I say second slide is push, I say the third slide is split, I say the fourth slide random bars, and then I go to the first slide, and then I say percent, right, and then I go to the next. You see, so these are the different transitions. Next slide, you see, those are the different transitions that you can use on your slide. Let's go to the last one, close, go back, and then we have the animations. So the animations, and this one is for your content. You can also animate your content, right? Let's just go to our first slide. We go to our image, and then we say we want our picture to wipe, right, or maybe shape like this, and then as we present, Okay, I think we missed something there. Our picture's not coming in. Alright. Okay, it's working. Okay, let's just go to the last slide fast and go back. Alright, yes, so here on the animations, this one is for the content. You can come here on your text, maybe say fly in, your text will fly in like that. Maybe we can just remove the transition. Let's just remove the transition, none on the first slide. Then you say present. So as you go to the next, if you click the next button, the first animation will come in. You click the next button again, another transition will come in. So it means each time you press the button, the animation comes in order: first animation, second animation, and so forth. So and then we go to our last slide. So that's the animation. So like I said, the animation is used on your content, directly on your content, and when it comes to the transition, is for your whole slide, right? That will be at the end of our video for Microsoft PowerPoint beginners. So if you like this video, so please make sure that you subscribe so that you will be updated as I upload the new videos. So if you have any questions, you can just post it on the comments below. Anything that you want to say regarding this video, you can just write something there on the comments. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you on the next video. Thank you.